It's pretty awful. This is a statue in honor of trustworthy men, which to anyone looking at it would think it was a statue of a chicken, which is the national sport of Puerto Rico. We're right here in the Memorial Plaza in front of the Capitol. And here he is, here's the chicken. These chickens that fight to the death so that people can bet on who's going to live and who's going to die, which is pretty much the way the whole world works. Who lives and who dies. May 4th, 2024, in San Juan, Puerto Rico. He is beautiful. Look at that. He's made of copper. We just came from a protest down the street. We're protesting American support for genocide of Palestine. Right in front of this gorgeous ceiba tree, I believe.